In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add featured images in WordPress. Featured images, also known as post thumbnails, are a well-known WordPress feature supported by most themes. They're the primary image for your blog posts, and they often appear next to the heading on your homepage and social media. To add a featured image on a post, in your dashboard, navigate to the post you want to add a featured image in. I'm going to edit this post. Then, on the right side of your screen, look for the Featured Image option. Click on it, and click here to select a featured image. You can upload an image by clicking here, or if you have it in your library, then just select it. You can add an alternative text for the image from here. Alternative text, or alt text, is displayed when the image fails to load, so keep the alt text relevant to the image. Then click here on Set Featured Image. Click on Update, and back to the website. I'm just going to reload the page. And as you can see, the featured image is displayed here. This is how you can add featured images in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.